beautiful sunrise as the backdrop, I want to thank Blue Forest Webdesign for sponsoring this morning walk video. You can find the link in the description. They do great HTML based web designing. HTML is very sought after in the SEO, search engine optimization, and they rank well and save you a lot of money on Google AdSense. Contact them today and get some quotes. What that noise is, that is Pardette enjoying herself. Remember, Pardette has got her goo on. I'll show you now what it is. It's to stop her from scratching and creating hot spots all over her beautiful coat. The wind is mildly northeasterly, and it's a beautiful day on the beach with the promise of drink hanging over the house of Poseidon as Ra is about to commence its path across the mountain of the dragon. The beautiful gully just north of Ingwe Beach, on the way to Jabula Beach. And as Christine Roberts says, word het 'n venster oopgemaak dat ons die hemel kan sien. Absolute waar woorde, Christine. Absolute waar woorde. Umflozi Low Water Bridge, Umflozi River flowing mildly strongly towards St. Lucia Estuary. This amount of water means that the district has got enough water for the water plant, for the reticulation plant, so that the whole district will have water for this December. That is good news. Even with the current water levels, we're not even at 700 millimeters yet. 500 millimeters seems to be the sediment level. It's roughly about 100 millimeter higher than 3 weeks ago, with all the water that came down with the Umflozi River. So now we ask ourselves, is the water that comes with the Umflozi River worth the trouble killing all the mangrove trees, all the fish species, all the marine species, and replace it with freshwater aquatic species? Or was it better in the 1968 management plan, when this water was pumped by natural forces, gravity feed into the ocean directly? Just asking.